Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Basecamp, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create a team inside of your Basecamp? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a team in Basecamp anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you're going to have various teams working on different projects. And with Basecamp, you can split them up into different teams. So that way everyone's on the same page. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process handled here in your Basecamp dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Basecamp, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to create a new team, you're going to click here, make a new project. Once you do that, you can go ahead and name the project or the team. So for example, if I'm running a restaurant, I'm going to have one team working on Chinese food and another team working on Mexican food. So we'll go ahead and name this team Mexican Food Team. Okay, I'll add a description. Okay, this is for all of the help working on the Mexican food delivery. And then here you can get to choose what tools are going to be available to these teams. So I'm going to go ahead and leave all of these on. And then here, if you have other people inside of your Basecamp, you can go ahead and add them into your team. For me, I only have myself inside this Basecamp because it's a test account. So I'm going to go ahead and create this team. Okay, so now we have a new team set up. And if we want to start adding people, we can click right here, add some people. All right, once you do that, you can go ahead and start inviting team members into this team by clicking add people. And here you can go ahead and just type in the names, and anybody who's already in your Basecamp is going to show up here. As you can see, I don't have anybody inside my Basecamp, so I can click right here, invite people to your account. Once you do that, it's going to prompt you to go ahead and add that person into your account. After you've added them into your account, you can go back into the team and add that person into your team. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create a new team in your Basecamp, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.